Good morning to all the HAM delegates who have come to Hyderabad Eyeball Meet. I welcome all of you on behalf of Lama Khan Amateur Radio Club, and I am the president. Call sign VU2 Kilo November, handled Rajan. And I take this opportunity to thank all of you for coming in this large number and making the program great. First of all, I thank the Almighty for giving us a chance to meet all of you, and thanks for that. First, I must tell you, this Lama Khan. Many people won't understand what is Lama Khan initially. Lama Khan, literal meaning is a house with no boundaries. Please remember, house means a house not with brick, sand and all the other doors and windows. It is the house of knowledge. So once you have the knowledge, there is no limit. Sky is the limit for the knowledge. So Lama Khan originally has a tradition, and they were having this basic infrastructure, and the main man behind that was Ashrat Farhan, who wanted his amateur radio activity also should start in Lama Khan. So when he came forward with this idea, we all said yes, and the club started some 2 years back in a small gathering. And as usual, any club in India starts with 2 meter horizontal. You may be wondering what is this 2 meter horizontal? It's on the first day you will have lot of enthusiasm, people will talk a lot, but afterwards it goes on the VHF 2 meter horizontally. That means everybody sleeps for some time. So that there is no expectation for that. But slowly and steadily we came up, and then we were going on the weekends. And all of a sudden, I found at Chennai Ham Meet in 2012, Farhan and Sharat came running to me and said, shall we bid for Hamfest 2013? It was something surprising to me because ours is a small club, and suddenly bidding this is going to be something wonderful because Hamfest is not a small job. Then I said, okay, if you are confident, I am also confident. So immediately, overnight, they did a presentation, they prepared a presentation and presented a presentation. Almost we were there. I can tell you, almost we were there, but only because of few things, considerations, it went to Gwalior. So, all right, it's all right. If you don't get it, you have a good base to restart. So came back and did some little bit of homework, and then tried again at Gwalior, and then we could get the Hamfest 2014 to Hyderabad. So that was the main idea behind Lama Khan Amateur Radio Club. And before we go to the actual inauguration, I would like to introduce my team members who took a lot of interest and enthusiasm in making this club a very active one all of a sudden. So I just wanted to call them one by one and then introduce them to you. Of course, I am the president of the club. I have Vice President Shri Arshad Farhan. Please come to the dais. I don't think any great introduction is necessary, but only I would like to tell few words. It is because of his interest and enthusiasm today we are here. Because I should thank the Lama Khan administration for giving us all the facilities. And it was Farhan's, I should say, effort. We get everything free of cost. And this is a very great sort of generosity shown by the Namakan administration to Namakan Amateur Radio Club. Then, of course, Ashraf Farhan is a very great home brewer. He has already done the Bitech, what do you call that?
BIT.
Yes.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
I don't know, but anyway, I only said because I have seen the article. And then he is now coming out with a new design, QR Pyrrhics, which he will be demonstrating to you today. You can feel free and discuss with him and get more idea about it. The third thing, I must tell you with proud, he is our convener for Hamfest 2014 from Namakan Amateur Radio Club, and he will be telling his plans and ideas to all of you about the way he is going to proceed for this Hamfest 2014. Thank you, Farhan. The next is the great guy, old man, Paddy Padmanabhan. Viru Papa, Eko Papa. I think no words from me because already he's a well-known figure, DX chaser, and at the same time, a very good hand helping others. The only speciality in him is whenever he goes on the road or he goes on the place, when he finds an aluminium tube, he always calculates in the length of lambdas and see whether it can be made as a Slim Jim or it can be made as a 5/8 or it can be made as an egg beater. He's an egg beater specialist. So egg beater for satellite antennas. So we really appreciate, he has a lot of enthusiasm in making beam antennas, and at the same time he's a very popular ham among even the DXers because they call him by name. So Paddy will be addressing you something about his announcements. Thank you, Paddy. And the third in the line is VU3RSB. Oh, behind me. VU3RSB. He's the treasurer, and Sharad just come here. And he's a great guy, fox hunter, and does a lot of these activities. He was the main force. He's a very powerful rocket engine. Instead of accelerating, I must go on putting retarders. The main thing is we have to apply brakes for him, because even before I could open my mouth and say this has to be done, he says it's done. So such people are always required, but at the same time you must be applying brakes to them, because otherwise they will be far, far ahead of you and you will be wondering what is to be done, because there is no point of return. So Sharad, really we appreciate you for the efforts you have put in getting the club registered and also the club license and the repeater license, etc. So good effort, and please keep it going. Thank you. And next in the line is Joint Secretary, Old Man Shashi Bhushan. Shashi Bhushan is another powerful rocket engine where even before you say something, he's ready with his technical things. So he is also good in erecting the antenna single-handedly. At 30 feet, I think the mast, I don't know how he has lifted, but he has lifted. And then put it in the place. So you can just imagine such of enthusiasm. So with these people and with Farhan as the super brain, I think Hamfest 2014, I think we can successfully handle it. And Sashi is a very good, I should say, erecting engineer with antennas and other things he has done. At the same time, he's a very good DDS circuits and other things he has done, both digital, software, everything. So he's very good at everything. And you just call him, you say, I want to erect an antenna. He's there at your place. Bring his vehicle, bring the antenna, bring the connector, bring everything. So take his help. But only thing, my sincere request is, don't ask him to go and request your house owner for getting the permission. That is your job. So you get the permission, he is there to help you. Thank you, Sashi. Now, as the customary, we would like to inaugurate, or we can say unveil the photograph. I mean, Sashi, what is that you have? Those things you want to enable? Yeah. Please. What is this? This is registration. The registration will be unveiled now, and then will be displayed. Then subsequently it will be in the room here inside. You can have a close look at it. Just stand.